up on a clear night, and you might catch a faint glow stretching across the sky. To us, it looks like a hazy band of light, but in reality, we're gazing into something far more incredible: our galaxy, the Milky Way. It's easy to think of it as just a collection of stars, but the Milky Way is so much more than that. It's a place of mystery, unimaginable size, and home to us all. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy about 100,000 light-years across. That's roughly 587,000 miles. It's home to at least 100 billion stars, countless planets, massive clouds of gas and dust, and phenomena so strange they can boggle the mind. But what's most amazing, we're right in the middle of it. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the Milky Way, exploring what makes this galaxy unique, mysterious, and astonishing. Our galaxy didn't just appear overnight. It started forming over 13 billion years ago, in the early days of the universe. Gravity pulled clouds of gas and dust together, and stars began to form. Over billions of years, these clouds merged with other galaxies, growing bigger and more complex, eventually forming what we now see as the Milky Way. The Milky Way has a distinctive shape, a barred spiral, meaning it has a dense, bar-like center and swirling arms. There are 4 main arms where most of the stars, planets, and cosmic phenomena are found, but everything is orbiting a common center, like a vast cosmic merry-go-round. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a mysterious invisible force, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A star. It's about 4 million times the mass of our Sun, and although we can't see it directly, we can observe its effects. Stars and gas clouds near the center orbit at incredible speeds, all drawn in by the immense gravity of Sagittarius A star. Scientists believe that nearly every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its core, but our own is unique because it's so close by, cosmically speaking. Studying Sagittarius A star helps us understand black holes, gravity, and the fundamental nature of the universe. Beyond the core, the Milky Way is packed with star-forming regions, massive nebulae, and diverse star clusters. Nebulae, which are vast clouds of gas and dust, are often called star nurseries. Here, new stars are born in cosmic clouds that span light-years across. Each star tells its own story. Some are young, hot, and blue, burning through their fuel in mere millions of years. Others, like red giants, are at the end of their lives, puffing up to hundreds of times their original size before exploding in spectacular supernovae. These events seed the galaxy with elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron that make up planets and eventually life itself. So, where do we fit into this grand galactic picture? The Sun and its family of planets sit in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, the Orion Arm. We're located about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. In cosmic terms, we're on the outskirts, in what could be considered a quieter neighborhood. It takes our solar system about 225 million years to complete a single orbit around the Milky Way. That means the last time we were in this spot, dinosaurs were just starting to roam the Earth. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is more than just a collection of stars. It's a vast, dynamic system with a rich history, a complex structure, and countless mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. From its spiral arms to the supermassive black hole at its core, the Milky Way is as awe-inspiring as it is humbling. As we look deeper into our galaxy, we're not just exploring the stars. We're discovering our origins, our place in the cosmos, and maybe even our future.